So I got this very nice little brass tip cleaner from Banggood. I like it because it's a little box with this brass wool sponge, and in the bottom there is rosin. So what happens is you get your soldering iron and you dip it in, and it's getting cleaned up. Oh, yeah, my phone doesn't focus too well, but anyway. And I wanted to show you how is this working. So I have this old prototyping board, and I'm using it because I'm hoping that trying to desolder or solder these holes, it will get my tip dirty and I can get it cleaned with this soldering tip cleaner. Okay, so let's get started. um, yeah, so I'm just messing around with this. This is very old stuff. I don't know what it is. I don't remember. I don't care. So I'm just hoping to get my uh, tip oxidized so I can get it cleaned and show you how is this working. Okay, so after playing around, after messing around with this is how the tip and the tap being. So not too bad, but certainly needs some cleaning. So you get your can here, your container, and just dive the nose of your tip, and voila. Very okay. Let me see if I can make this focus. And of course you can use it to thin your tip like so. So there you have it, a soldering tip cleaner, with rosin flags from Banggood. I love this. Thanks for watching.